Hello, hello, it's Miss Hake back again. We are learning all about the letter I. Eh, eh, eh. We've been practicing our I spies. So we're going to go ahead and make an I placemat. So you're going to need the uppercase I first. 1, 2, 3. And the lowercase I. Don't forget to dot your I. I. Now, after seeing some of these videos, can you think of anything that has the I sound? Eh, eh, eh. What about ice? Oops, Miss Hicks not going to write that upside down because I might have spelt it incorrectly, but I'm going to put some ice there. And I'm going to make the ice melt a little bit so you know it's ice. Can you think of anything else that has the I? Maybe at the beginning, but maybe in the middle? Let's think. Inky the mouse is my pet. Ink! Okay. He spilled the ink and it got wet. There's a big patch of ink. Ink. Beautiful. What else? I. Oh, I know. It has ice in it. I'm going to turn it around. Cream. I scream. You scream. We all scream for ice cream. Do you have a favorite flavor? I do. Haha, I do. All these eyes. There's my cone. And I'm going to show you my favorite flavor. Can you guess? Boom, 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 boom. It is green, believe it or not, but I'm not finished, so don't think I like green ice cream. Well, I do like green ice cream, but there's little things in it. Mint chip. Do you like mint chip? Have you ever had mint chip? So now we've got ice, ink, ice cream. Can you think of another I? Inky the mouse is my pet. He spilled the ink and got wet. Anything else in the ABC mouse song? I don't know. I'm going to leave this one blank. I want you to think of 4 things for your I placemat today, and then you can decorate and color and add it to your alphabet that we have been making. Have so much fun. I spy with my little eye something that starts with I. What could it be? Use your mind. Think about it. Bye.